Hello, boys and girls. Okay, welcome to your quick screencast this afternoon. So today we're going to be talking about ordering decimals. So for the most part, it is the same as comparing decimals, but just like with whole numbers, comparing means you are only looking at two numbers, where ordering you are looking at three numbers. So your steps are the same. Okay, you start from the right. Let's review that real quick. Start from the highest place value and work your way right. Okay, I know I'm being sloppy here, but I figured you'd rather have me be sloppy and get through your video quicker. But notice I'm still making it legible. Highest place value. You're going to add 0 placeholders. And then the strategy we're going to use is make a t-chart. Okay, the last step that you're going to do to help, okay, did you see what I just wrote? Make a t-shirt. Where did I come up with that one? Okay, let's make a t-chart. But you know what? Since I did that, let's make t-shirt our keyword. Okay, so I'm going to know if you watched this, if you saw my mistake, and it's now our keyword. So then the fourth step is you're going to number the numbers from either greatest to least or least to greatest, whatever it asks from. That is always a very common mistake. They always order them in the wrong direction. Okay, so there you go. So for my example, let's say I have 8 2/10, 82 hundredths. I'm going to put these as colons so we don't get confused, because sometimes when we make commas, they look like periods. Okay, so there's my numbers that I want to put in order. So I'm going to make my t-chart. My first one, my 8 goes on this side because my whole numbers go on this side, because there's my decimal. And then, decimal over here. So that's the important thing, is that you line that decimal up on the t-chart, so you have your numbers in the right spot. Okay, now I have to put in my 0 placeholders. So now, so I don't get confused, and I'm going to change my pen color. I'm going to look at these and I'm going to put them in order. So here I can see, I'm going to do it from greatest to least. I can see the 8 is the biggest, so I'm going to put that first. And then I'm just going to draw one line through it, so I know I've already used that number. And then I go down. My 1 is the biggest, so I put a 2 there, cross it out. Then I go to my next number, 8 and 2. 8 is bigger. But see, notice I am not crossing it out, so I can't read the number, because now I need to rewrite them in order from greatest to least. So I got to look at my numbers. Is greater than, where's my number 2? Is greater than. Is greater than. Okay, oops. See, that looks like a little, my 2 didn't go over all the way, so it looks like it's a decimal. So there's my going in order from greatest to least. So those are your steps. Same thing, making your t-chart. So let's try, I actually happen to have a flip chart. So in order, put them in order with the first we're going to put them in a t-chart, and then we're going to number them, and then we're going to write them in the correct order. So here were all the numbers. Here's my t-chart, and then there's where I put them in the correct order. Okay, because I can look at my t-chart and see. So here's one for you to try. You're going to drag each, well, I'm going to drag. So you figure it out. and then start the video. Okay, so let's drag them each. So I'm going to drag it and put it on my T-chart. Oops. Hey, stop it. Okay, I'm going to write it because my doesn't want to drag for some reason. Why doesn't this one want to drag either? That one did. Okay, I'm going to add my zeros to where I need to put them. Oops, I almost forgot about this one just because. So my largest one has 4 digits, so all of them should have 4 digits. Okay, now I'm going to drag the green number starting with a 1 for smallest. Okay, so I'm looking at 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next. 4, 0, 0, 4, 4. Okay, so I have my 2 zeros. So I'm going to put my 1 next to there. So let's go to 2's. So 0, 4, 4. Oh, there's another 0, but when I look, my 4 is bigger, so I can't use that. So I have to go beyond my 4's. So I have a 0, a 7, and a 1. 0 is smaller. So then I'm going to go to my 1, because now 1 comes after. And then my 7. And then there's that 4 way at the beginning. Okay, I'm not going to put them in the, I'm not going to drag them down there, but you can, actually I will. Well, my point, oh, now it's dragging. Goes first. And then, what's my number 2? Here's my number 2. Then my number 3. Then my number 4. And then my number 5. I guess I should have taken the green ones that they said to take. But for some reason, they don't want to drag the way they're supposed to. Okay. So, 7/10. Uh-oh. Yeah, 7/10 is less than 4 7/100, which is less than 4 17/100, which is less than 4 7/10, which is less than 40 7/10. Okay? So, that's your practice for today. You will have a Google form to do, and then we'll do some more practicing in class tomorrow. Have a phenomenal afternoon, and don't forget what your keyword is. I will see you tomorrow.